Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 18th March 2021. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis again for the 19th March. So this analysis is for today only, 18th March. I'll be coming again tomorrow with the analysis for 19th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, so we can see that right now market is trading at 1.1945. Okay, this is the current market price. And if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have already short term market. And right now you are in a good profit. And if you have not short term market yet, then you need to wait. Okay, so you can see that I have drawn two lines on the chart. Okay, the purple line is the resistance one, or the first resistance, and this green line is the support for the market. Okay, so in case market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, then just observe how the price is doing, or price reacts in the resistance zone. This time it will be hitting the resistance zone for the third time. Okay, so observe the price carefully. If you see that price is getting rejected again from the resistance level, then you can short the market easily. In case price crosses the level, okay, in case you see that prices cross the resistance, okay, in case prices cross the resistance, then wait for the volume and do check how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably above the resistance for 2 to 3 hours, then it is a clear signal that the resistance has become the support. In that case, you can go ahead and buy above this line. On the other hand, if you see that market has come down from here, okay, then wait for this level. Okay, wait for this level. If you see that market is about to bounce off or bounce back from this level, then go for a buy. Just make sure the price is being rejected from below. Okay, price rejection in the form of a hammer or a beautiful green candle like this, bullish engulfing candle, or a Marubozu like this. Okay, if you see here, then you can go for a buy here. In case market crosses this level, okay, in case market crosses this support with good amount of volume, again wait for a couple of hours, let's say 2 to 3 hours, and just observe the price. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology, just try to understand who is dominating the market. Even if the prices cross the support, whether the sellers are dominating or not, if after 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours you see that sellers are still dominating the market, then it is clear, or it will be clear, that support has become the resistance now. In that case, you can short the market. Okay, so hopefully you have already short the market here in this support or resistance zone, and you are in a good profit. So just enjoy your profit, and in case you have not, then you need to wait for the market to either reach this level or this level. Okay, you do not need to take any trade in between this zone. Okay, because we need to follow discipline to make money from the market. That's it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much, and do subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.